So yo hello and this is Dishant and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see कि like मैं घर पे बैठा हूँ and मैं बाहर नहीं जा रहा हूँ because आज का topic is very interesting and it is one of the requested topics from my Instagram DMs. Many of my subscribers and my followers said कि Dishant, you used to work with like Tony Huge and like collaborated with him. So I want something related to Psalms. So here it is and best and reliable sources for Psalms. Before I start the video, I should say it properly कि the things which I say today are based on experiences. I am not a doctor to suggest anything. Everything that you do is based on you and not on me. I am just doing this video for education purposes and entertainment purposes. So here we go. So a few years ago there was a growth and demand in something which is very safe than PEDs. PEDs are performance enhancement drugs or something which can enhance your strength and development in the fields of sports or anything muscle wise or strength wise. So there was this demand increasing and then there was this age where SARMs came in. What are SARMs? SARMs are exactly selective androgen receptor modulators. Yes, I know this is very scientific name, but it explains itself. Believe me, because receptor modulators are something which makes your receptor grow. So these are receptor modulators. Receptor modulators are something which will go inside your system and make your system grow by telling your body to produce more hormones and like other like other PEDs which are testosterone or something which is related testosterone based or growth hormone based or peptide based, they will do is they are like artificial hormones which will go in your body and disbalance the system completely. SARMs are something which will grow in your body and increase the number of receptors which will tell your body to grow some hormones on its own. So SARMs are something which is not 100% safe. There are side effects. There are side effects such as testosterone drop by 25% or 30% on use. Like if you're combining 3-4 SARMs together, then it will be a major drop into your bloodstream and your testosterone might drop, especially males. Um, Females, I don't know much about females because I have not researched that much, but something I have experienced in male hormones is like there was 25% drop in testosterone. There are many companies which sell some in form of pills and pills can't be trusted. Here is why. Because what pills do is like they saturate a amount of powder and they stuff it into the pill and you don't know how much it is. Sometimes it is less, sometimes it is more, and oftentimes it is very less. Like if they say it is 20 mg, it is not 20, it is 18.2 or 17, something like that, but it is very less and it is not promising you the perfect dose. That's why if you want to try, you should always try SARMs in liquid form, which is very reliable because you can count like per vial and per dropper. Because Rats Army is very trusted. I'll tell you why Rats Army is very trusted, because they have a third party testing and many coaches will tell you okay they only test the first batch. No, they test every batch which is gonna come and they certify it and then only they sell it properly. There are many companies which are not selling SARMs but they are selling something else, like they are selling testosterone based like PEDs in name of SARMs, especially in India. I don't know about US, but this is happening in India and I don't want anyone to suffer. If you are experimenting with something which has to be safe, then you should try which is on reliable source. I came across a site which is known as a Rats Army and they are selling sounds on a very like normal rate. If you want to experiment with them, you can like experiment with them. I'll link down the description and even a discount code. If you want, you can try it. There's a 20% off by using DT20 caps. DT20, I'll just write it over here. So you can use this code and you can get 20% off on your discount, and it is like there is a free shipping on US, I think so. All over the US, domestic shipping is very free, and international shipping there is some charges, I think so, $10 something. It will help you enhance, but you should always use something which is very reliable and I trust, because I have used it on my rat. That process my rat gained 7.2 lbs of muscle. Yes, I have used this source before, but in this process I gained like, not I, my rad gained like 7.2 lbs. Yes, 7.2 lbs of lean muscle mass, and there was a drop of like 30% testosterone, which was covered by like Clomid. They also have SERMs, which are post psychotherapy chemicals, which are Clomid, then tamoxifen, and etc., which will help you reboost your normal testosterone level, help your acne, help with your acne, then your liver protection, then your uh, uh, hormone leveling, then your cholesterol leveling. Everything will be covered by them only. There are like many things on this site. You should go and check this site. This site is very crazy. By the way, like I am gonna try and make a transformation series very soon. And after you try and you have a successful transformation or something, you can always comment down below in my comment section, or tag me and Rats Army by Instagram handles. I'll give the Instagram handles over here. My Instagram handle and Rats Army's Instagram handle is over here. So you can always tag them and show the transformation, so we can highlight you in future if you want. And that's it for today, guys. I think so you like got a reliable source, and this video is helpful a bit, because what happens if you are using a wrong source and someone is selling you something wrong, then you might have suffering. And yes, if you think that there will be problems in customs, no, there won't be problem in custom, because this is a research chemical which falls under research category, and it is passed in India. If you import something from Rats Lab, it is gonna pass very easily, but you have to pay, I think so, some delivery charges for the postal services. It will be a little bit like 500, I think so, around 500, but it is a very reliable source. And if you are buying in bulk and you're making sure that you're using the discount, then you're gonna get it in very cheap manners. The link will be given down below. And that's it for today, guys. I think so you enjoyed the video, and if you did enjoy the video, do share, like, subscribe. If you want करना है तो कर लो, वरना मत करो. If you wanna do it, otherwise don't do it. There's no forcing. But this is for today. Till then, peace out.